Welcome back to the workshop. Today we're diving into the basics of using a Dremel specifically for beginners. And while we're at it, we're going to be taking a look at the new Dremel H240. So if you're new to this or you've just got your Dremel, stick around because we'll be going through everything. For the more experienced, there'll be future videos where I'll be taking a deep dive into intermediate and advanced techniques. Let's get started. This is the Dremel H240, one of the latest models in the Dremel lineup. It features a sleek, ergonomic design that not only looks great, but is also comfortable to hold for an extended period. One of the standout features of the H240 is its improved battery life. It comes with a powerful 12-volt lithium-ion battery that provides longer run times.
I have doubled my battery life,
allowing you to tackle more projects on a single charge without needing to stop and recharge frequently. The H240 also boasts a variable speed control that ranges from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect speed for each task. The motor is designed to deliver consistent power and performance, even under a heavy load. At the top of the tool we have the chuck, which tightens around an 1/8 inch accessory. This chuck is compatible with a wide variety of Dremel accessories, allowing you to switch between different tasks quickly and easily. The chuck is designed to hold accessories securely in place, ensuring that they don't slip or wobble during use, which is crucial for precision work. When you flip the switch on, the tool rotates clockwise if it's pointing away from you. The spin direction is important for safely bracing the tool. At the bottom, there's a wheel to adjust the RPM from 5,000 to 35,000. You can change the RPM even while the tool is running, which is really convenient. To change an accessory, you need to loosen the chuck. Press the lock button on top to keep it in place. Then use the wrench to unscrew it. Swap out the accessory, retighten the chuck and make sure it's secure. Never press the lock button while the Dremel is running. It makes a terrible sound and it can damage the gears. The new models of Dremel have an easy twist feature, allowing you to unscrew the cap without the wrench. Just align the teeth on the cap with the sides of the chuck. For most accessories, hold the Dremel like a pencil. Keep your grip tight and avoid covering the vents.
Always wear a mask and safety goggles. Dust, especially from materials like wood and metal, can be harmful.
This is the SC544 cutting wheel, designed for making clean cuts in wood. I use it at 20,000 RPM. It's part of the speed click system, so it's easy to change without needing a wrench. Next, the SC407 drum sander is perfect for shaping and smoothing wood. I set it at 15,000 RPM. This is the 115DM carving accessory. This is a high-performance carbide cutter, ideal for shaping, hollowing and grooving.
Groovy, baby!
I run it at 20,000 RPM. It's very efficient for detail work on wood and soft metals. Now we have the 511E Finishing Abrasive Buff, which is perfect for light sanding and surface preparation. I use it at 10,000 RPM to smooth out rough edges and prepare surfaces for polishing. Here we have the SC456 cutting disc, perfect for cutting through metal. I set the Dremel to 25 RPM. This disc is great for quick, precise cuts in metal, and it's also part of the speed click system. The 932 grinding stone is ideal for sharpening and grinding. I use it at 15,000 RPM to maintain edges on tools or grind down rough surfaces in metal and stone. Remember, the Dremel is a high-speed, low-torque tool. Let the tool do all the work and avoid pressing too hard. Check the user manual for the right RPM and accessory for your material. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in all things Dremel, check out my other projects for beginners. Leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.